there, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before starting, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a thumb up if you like that video, guys. So in today's video, I will demonstrate you how to listen to any radio station from around the world. So just follow that tutorial step by step. I will lead you to that aim. Don't forget to check my description out because I will put all the link on my description down below. So just click on that link and tunein.com will appear on your screen, and you just have to type just here, that bar, your favorite radio station. So for my case, I want to type BBC. Click on enter and then you will see on your screen all the radio station from BBC, and we can listen to them in live. Of course I won't, because we have some copyright for the songs, and so I can't show you that on my video. So if you want to have an app on your computer, you can download TuneIn Radio app from the Microsoft Store. So guys, thank you for watching that video and see you next time.